Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video today we will be listening to Dawn's live. They were having a discussion on whether or not RT has been arrested or whether he has allegedly passed away. Guys, this whole thing on social media, I hope you guys are not taking this thing serious, because these people are behaving in such a way. All of them, they are behaving in such a way where you have to wonder, how is it that so many people supports them and sends them money and all of those things? I'm not saying that they shouldn't do it, but it's like a lot of people take this social media thing so seriously, guys. Always remember to believe half of what you see and half of what you hear. Anyway, let's dive into the live and hear what they are discussing in regards to RT, because RT have burned up the place, I know. RT have burned up the place. RT probably not hiding. Look how long RT that takes it past Spice, over 3 years, and Spice never answer him. Can't say Spice can't answer him. Now Spice come out and answer him a different thing. It's like a whole can of worm. But I just think all of these people, like, it's just entertainment, guys. Anyway, remember to like, share, and subscribe.
The Roundtable Talk. It is alleged that RTBOSS, aka Passeed Listen, has passed. We're still working to verify this information. Please remember to keep his family in prayers as they go through this difficult period. We'll update you in subsequent newscasts. Keep the royal family in your prayers. Our Roundtable Talk special report continues.
See, you missed the part. We say you missed the part. We say give the family their privacy.
Oh no, they can't get privacy at this time. When we fully verified, then we say privacy. No, keep them in their prayers. She never asked for privacy.
But Dawn, remember, you know.
Guys, see poll to send contribution. Go up there is 150 something seconds where you can send your contribution, I think. Monitor contribution to Dawn. Cash App, PayPal, and I don't know, Zelle.
Alright guys, show your appreciation to the host.
Yes, guys, because we take our time out of our busy schedule to hear what we're the first to give you this information today. So you know that we are still working on our journalists are working assiduously and still working to verify this information.
But Dawn, remember, Dawn, remember, you know, we get the information saying, but we didn't put it out there that he was not in the penitentiary, he was in the hospital, remember? We got the information in a T, but we couldn't confirm the information, so we didn't want to put it out there.
And we didn't want
Yeah.
You could have seen it in the past yet, man.
Allegedly, we got a cut. Allegedly, people we heard he was in the hospital.
Oh, we're
echoing.
Go and come down.
Let me restart my iPad. Probably need to restart because we just come back from outside.
Are we still echoing? No. It was just lawyer. Welcome to a special report from the decks of the Roundtable. It is alleged that RTBOSS has passed. The information cannot be verified, however, the information, the announcement was posted on the wife Instagram account, social media account. Our journalists are working assiduously to verify this information. We'll keep you updated in subsequent newscasts. In the meantime, please keep the royal family in your prayers. From our special report, it is alleged that RTBOSS has passed. Our journalists are working assiduously to verify this information. Welcome to our special report. We need to hear from you, so please come in the box. From our special report, I'm Team Milk No Sugar, and I will keep you updated.
Tell me down.
She's a mother, and she's a woman, and she's a Jamaican.
One real youth, I verify it.
Yes, sir.
Like them a tell, like them a BBC tell. One real youth, I verify it. But Don, he died on the day of the court, and the wife make announcement.
That's what me I say.
I want to know the cause of death.
So people, please tell me, we have another Pastor Smith again, Kevin Smith. I remember Kevin Smith, that's why we are waiting for him to face justice. This was what happened.
Yes. Justice will never be served.
We will never know the truth. Diva 21. The only collection we're doing is for the host. The only collection we're doing is for the host, guys. Support the host, guys. If you have $1, $2, whatever you have, support the host, guys. If you have gifts, send gifts. Diva, the only collection we're doing is for the host. If this is not true, the level you go through for clout, it is sickening.
Very low.
It is sickening, not even low. It is sickening.
Thank you, Victorious and good girls in the year.
Is there anybody on like Judge Roy and the others? It seems like they don't know. We are the first one to break the news. TikTok lawyer.
I don't. Listen, Shen London. Y'all read Shen London. Shen London today, I cannot read. I cannot read Shen London. I cannot read. Shen London, you want Diva link up. You want Diva link up Shen London, and maybe you can arrange something. So what happened, people? You think because in the raise 150K, that kind of give him a heart attack? This thing is, you want to be sympathetic, but you don't even know how to approach this whole thing.
You don't know.
Because he has so much sons, you don't know how to approach it.
Afternoon.
Afternoon,
Hi,
Kimmy. Welcome to our special report. Welcome.
No, Blingana graduation or kids graduation. So she said after graduation she will come live.
Kimmy 333, welcome. What's your input on the current situation?
Hear what Effie say. Okay, guys, very good, Miss Carib Spice. In lieu of flowers, send gifts to the host. Very good.
Oh, I didn't realize I was muted. Thank you for having me. But what I'm saying is that them 150,000 look like it not raised quick enough, so them just come out with something else. Say he passed 3 a.m. this morning.
Yeah, that's quite Kimmy.
That's what I have to say. Because they are stooping so damn low just for clout and money. They are money greedy. They are greedy to the point of no return. Because their thing yesterday was that same like I'm doing it for Ivan, you can't do it for him too.
1 second, Kimmy. Guys, share the lives because I guess TikTok is not yet alerted. Share the live, guys.
We're just breaking the news.
Yeah, share the live, guys, so other persons could hear the breaking news.
So one thing I want to ask. Anything come out of when them put out thing in a paper up here like
that. The funeral home, and if the family requests it, you don't necessarily have to do it. The family,
Oh, okay.
It came from his his Instagram page.
Yeah, I see it on the Instagram page too. I'm a screenshot it. I'm like seriously? That's how low I'm really gone? Yes, when the Bruce break out with the young guy the other day, him get locked up. Then today, him dead.
Passed away. Oh
And then 3 hours, in the same, probably about 3 hours after that show, you see them put up something on Instagram saying $400 for the reading. So I'm like, oh, what kind of game them really are playing? They are playing really dirty. You understand?